everyone and welcome back. Today's story is inspired by the country of Guatemala, which is in Central America. It's home to volcanoes and rainforests. Now, if we have a look at our Earth, here near the top is England, where we live. And if we travel all the way across the North Atlantic Ocean, all the way down here to Central America, we find the tiny country of Guatemala. Now today's story is by Anthony Browne and it's called Silly Billy, and it's about a little boy called Billy who's a little bit of a worrier. Let's see what happens. Billy used to be a bit of a worrier. He worried about many things. Billy worried about hats, and he worried about shoes. Billy worried about clouds and rain. Billy even worried about giant birds. His dad tried to help. "Don't worry, lad," he said. "None of those things could happen. It's just your imagination." His mum tried too. "Don't worry, love," she said. "We won't let anything hurt you." But still, Billy worried. One night, he had to stay with his grandma, but Billy couldn't sleep. He was too worried. He was always worried about staying at other people's houses. Billy felt a bit silly, but at last he got up and went to tell his grandma. "Well, fancy that, love," she said. "You're not silly. When I was your age, I used to worry like that. I've got just the thing for you." She went into her room and came out holding something. "These are worry dolls," she explained. "Just tell each of them one of your worries and put them under your pillow. They'll do all the worrying for you while you sleep." Billy told all his worries to the worry dolls. He slept like a log. The next morning, Billy went home. That night, he again told all his worries to the dolls. He slept like a stone. The next night, Billy slept well, and the night after that. But the night after that, Billy started to worry. He couldn't stop thinking about the dolls. All those worries he'd given them. They must be so worried. It didn't seem fair. The next day, Billy had an idea. He spent all day working at the kitchen table. It was difficult work, and at first he made lots of mistakes and had to start again many times. But finally, Billy produced something very special. Some worry dolls for the worry dolls. That night, everyone slept well. Billy and all the worry dolls. And after that, Billy didn't worry very much at all, and neither did his friends. Billy made worry dolls for all of them. Now, the tradition of worry dolls dates back to the ancient Mayan civilization of Guatemala. According to Mayan legend, a princess received a special gift from a sun god, allowing her to solve any worry that a human could worry about. Even today we use these worry dolls and they represent that ancient Mayan princess. These are my worry dolls. Aren't they tiny? They're made of wood and little scraps of cloth and thread. Why don't you have a go at making your own worry dolls? I'll post the link down in the description below to a craft project where you can make your own worry dolls. And then If you've got anything on your mind, you're having anything that you're worrying about, you can tell your worry doll and place it under your pillow at night, and they will take your worries for you. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye.